During mid-autumn, a number of dabbling duck species can be observed at the Audubon Sanctuary in Orange County, New York, 6.5 Station Sanctuary. Black ducks such as these are large ducks, about the same size as mallards and even capable of interbreeding with mallards. Their chocolate brown colored bodies and tan necks distinguish them. Black ducks can also be distinguished from mallards in the white undersides of their wings, visible in flight, and the lack of a white border surrounding the blue speculum on their wings. While Orange County, New York is within the year-round range of black ducks, they are most frequently observed during migrations between the northern U.S. and Canada and the southeastern U.S. During migration, they are typically observed in small flocks like these. During migration, one can often observe flocks of over 100 green-winged teals at 6.5 Station Sanctuary. These are North America's smallest duck, and while their mottled brown plumage is similar to that of female mallards, these ducks are only about half the size of mallards. As autumn progresses, male green-winged teals develop cinnamon-colored heads with a green stripe passing through the eye region, which can help distinguish them. The green speculum on their wings, for which they are named, is visible in flight and when resting birds part their wings. The shallow water and mudflat regions of this sanctuary are ideal habitats for green-winged teals as they feed on aquatic plant material and small invertebrates which they can sieve from the water using small projections on their bills. One can clearly see these are dabbling ducks, which simply upend themselves, holding their posterior in the air as they reach for this plant material and other food sources. These are not diving ducks. These images and video are a pair of northern pintail ducks. The brown and white pattern head and blue bill of the male makes it easy to identify him in a group of other ducks, although males at this point in autumn have not yet fully developed the long tail feathers for which they are named and which will be more prominent in spring. The female is better camouflaged, but her long neck allows her profile to be distinguished from that of other ducks. In eastern North America, northern pintails breed in Canada and winter in the central and southern U.S. So this visit in New York was a migration stopover. Wood ducks bred at the sanctuary this summer and can winter here as long as there are areas where there is open water that isn't frozen. This female wood duck appears to suffer from a condition known as, quote, angel wings, which is limiting her mobility. Angel wings is a condition known in ducks in which the tip of the wing is twisted. It can be caused by a genetic mutation or by malnourishment in which the diet is too rich in carbohydrates, such as when ducks interact with humans and are fed large quantities of bread. In early autumn, male mallards began molting in the green head feathers of their breeding plumage. Since some males molt earlier than others, influenced by factors such as age, nutrition, and testosterone levels, one could observe male mallards at different stages of this molt throughout autumn. By late autumn, mallards should have completed this molt, and thus their brilliant green heads should adorn their flocks, which may be migrating through our area, or consist of birds which will choose to spend the winter in the northeast U.S. In areas which maintain open water.